You know what I'm saying? Ooh. What's up, Drill Mafia? So today I'm gonna be using my Morphe eyebrow pomade, P. Louise eyeshadow base, Born This Way concealer, Born This Way foundation, Baby Skin Maybelline poreless primer, my Laura Mercier translucent powder, my crayon book contours book, whatever, from the crayon case. Y'all see my lashes, lash glue, eyeliner, liners, lip liner, lip gloss. I got all my stuff just set out, my brushes that I'm going to be using. I tried to get everything set out that I was going to use so it wouldn't be that much. So it started out as this is about to be a 10-minute makeup routine, but I got interrupted and had to go to special guest at school. So it's just like, I'm going to still say like 10-minute makeup tutorial, but it wasn't 10 minutes because I had to stop or whatever. So yeah, that's just what I'm gonna be doing. It's gonna be like a everyday kind of simple look, something easy, not too much, but you know, it's gonna be fine or whatever. So I'm just about to start. Y'all see I was doing my timer and everything to time me, so it'll be 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But that didn't work out because I had to stop or whatever. So I just said whatever with the 10 or 15 minutes. I'm just going to do it. So yeah, I'm just starting on my eyebrows and stuff. Y'all seen everything that I'm going to be using in this video at the beginning. So yeah, y'all can just watch me slay. I might come in and, well, yeah, I'm just going to tell y'all what I use. So brows, I'm using, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put like what I'm using, and well, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm doing. I'm gonna have the words on the screen or whatever. I'm not gonna talk through the whole thing. So y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel if not already, or before you click off this video to join the fam, hit that like button and comment down below some video ideas that you would like to see. Anything that you would like to see from me, or anything that you would like for me to try, or anything, you know, just comment. But yeah, y'all can just go ahead and watch me slay and let me know what y'all think of this everyday simple look. Okay, so as y'all see, I used the Contourization notebook from the crayon case multiple times. I used it as my eyeshadow, my contour, and for my highlight, and my under eye, whatever. I didn't put it each time, but that's all I use for the shadow. Anytime you see me putting on shadow, I'm using the Contourization notebook because this is a simple look. I don't want to use too many products, and it's just all around, you know, you can use it for multiple things. So that's what I did.
Show the product real quick. Like the yeah. Just in case no folk wanna goddamn sponsor my sis. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, period.